Then the next point about seeking refuge in Allah from the evil of our own self and the evil of our own deeds. That make me realize that my negative actions, my sins, my disobediences to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has an impact on my goals, on what I desire, on what I want to achieve in my life. So it gives me two things. One is to refrain from disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because that quick gratification that I try to seek by disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has severe long-term consequences. And if I fall into it, then I seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to prevent my own actions, my own sins in coming in between what I desire and what is good for me and my paradise and my dunya and my akhirah.